of limitations. First of all, let's understand the true definitions of limitation. What is limitation? Limitation is the condition, rule, or fact that controls what you can do, how far you can go, or how much you can achieve. I repeat again, a limitation is the condition, rule, or fact that controls what you can do, how far you can go, or how much you can achieve. Simple definition is it is boundaries or weak point that stop something from being perfect, unlimited, or 100%. As limitations, it is the boundaries. It is boundaries that can stop you from acting 100%. It is the weak point. It is weak point. Today, I want to talk about limitations. Even the days that is going to come, I wanted to talk about limitations. As young generation, nowadays we are always surrounded by limitations while we are studying, in our studies, in our works, in everything we do, in our prayers, in our everything, we are surrounded by limitations. I wanted to break through that limitations. I want to tell you that you cannot achieve to your goals as long as you still have that limitations. I want it together as one. Together as one, we can break limitations. You can break limitations? You can break limitations so as to achieve or to unlock your destiny, to unlock your divine destiny. As you know, there is your destiny on this world, but there is a lot of limitation that limit you to enter to your destiny. Before talking about limitation, before talking about the breaking limitations, I want you to understand what is limitations. For next, we will come back with breaking all limitations. Check in your life. I will list all limitations that is on your life, all limitations that face you everywhere in your class,